Kumusta na po? I hope you're doing well. Kumusta na po? I'm so happy today kasi gagawa tayo ng kare-kare. Kare-kare is a very classic dish from the Philippines. And I'm gonna try to make it authentic for you. It's like oxtail stew with peanut butter. Ang sarap. Favorite namin ng mga anak ko. And today, we have a special guest all the way from Kennedy Space Center. And he came here from a rocket ship, Artemis 1. Here we go, our special guest. So happy he's here with us from Florida. My son, Alden. Here he is. He's a great chef. And nung bata pa siya, lagi niya akong pinapanood magluto. Nakaganito siya sa counter watching habang nagluluto ako. And now, ang galing niya magluto. Ang sarap-sarap niya magluto. So, he's gonna help me make kare-kare. So, stay tuned and we'll show you how. Ito po ang mga ingredients na gagamitin natin. Yung eggplant po, kahit hindi Filipino eggplant, okay lang po. Kung ano po available. Hugasang mabuti ang oxtail, tapos pakuluin, hard boil po. Kita nyo ang daming sebo at grease. Hindi healthy para sa atin, kaya itapon po ang broth na may sebo sa labas po ng bahay at hindi sa drain ng plumbing. Hugasang mabuti ang oxtail dahil hindi po ito makakaapekto sa lasa ng oxtail. Magiging malinamnam palalo dahil walang sebo. Linisin po mabuti ang pot. Tapos po, linisin mabuti ang oxtail. Isa-isa po. Yan, malinis na. Tapos, lagyan po ng maraming tubig uli at pakukuluin po natin uli hanggang 1 oras at kalahati. Habang nagpapakulo, ito pong rice na nahugasan ko po at pinatuyo, i-grind natin ng maliit. Tapos, ito-toast natin po ito for about 5 to 8 minutes sa medium-low heat, non-stick pan. Bantayang mabuti para hindi masunog. Ito po magpapalapot ng sauce natin at magbibigay ng nutty toasted flavor din. Lagyan ng mainit na tubig ang atsuete at hayaang mababad for a few minutes. Gagamitin natin yung extract, hindi yung seeds. So ngayon, onion at garlic. Chop po natin. Then yung eggplant. Ibabad sa tubig para hindi mangitim ang eggplant. Tapos yung sitaw po, hatiin natin ng pantay-pantay, pare-parehas para sabay-sabay maluto. Tapos yung petsay, ihiwalay po natin ang stem sa leaves. Makikita nyo po mamaya kung bakit. Luto na ang oxtail, malambot na po, pero hindi falling off the bone kaya perfect po ito. Medium heat ang onion at sibuyas sa olive oil. Ang sabi ko po onion at sibuyas, onion at garlic po. Sorry po. Tapos idagdag natin ang alamang. 1 tablespoon po muna, tapos tingnan natin. Lagay na po natin yung atsuete, yung extract lang po. Ito magpapakulay sa kare-kare. Wala pong lasa ito, kaya hindi makakaapekto sa linamnam ng kare-kare. Pampakulay lang po. Natural coloring. Tapos lagay po natin ng 2 cups ng broth na galing sa pinagpakuluan ng oxtail. Tapos po, yung toasted ground rice. Ito po magpapalapot. Kasama ng peanut butter mamaya. Pakuluin lang po. Kumukulo na. That's good. Ang ganda. Tapos, ilagay na po natin ang peanut butter. Ito pong pinili namin na peanut butter ay Lily's peanut butter po dahil ito ang authentic talaga na mas masarap. Pag ginamit nyo po ibang brand, like American brand or ibang brand, hindi po kasing linamnam. Hindi tulad ng Lily's peanut butter. So, haluin pong mabuti. Ngayon lumalapot na po. Tignan po muna natin ulit. Sobrang lapot niya, kaya dagdagan po natin ng 1.5 cups ng broth ulit. And since dinagdagan natin ng 1.5 cups ng broth, dagdagan po natin ng 1 tablespoon ulit ng alamang. After nito, perfect na po ang lasa, tsaka yung kanyang sauce, malapot na po. Ngayon kumukulo na, idagdag na po natin ang oxtail. Ibalik natin. Tapos, haluin po natin mabuti para lang mababad siya sa sauce, para yung linamnam ng sauce sumama sa oxtail. Pakuluin. After 15 minutes, ito na po siya. Ang ganda. Ready na po natin ilagay ang gulay. Sitaw po muna kasi ito ang pinaka matagal maluto. Kaya ito muna unahin natin. Takpan po natin. 5 minuto po. After 5 minutes, pwede na natin ilagay ang talong. Halu-haluin po uli para ma-mix siya. Takpan po uli natin. After 3 minutes, ilagay na natin ang stems ng petsay. Ay, may humabol. Okay, takpan po uli natin. After 3 minutes, ilagay na po natin ang mga dahon ng petsay. Yan. Ito na ang last ingredient. Perfect na po ito. Kahit walang sausawan ng bagoong, masarap pa rin siya. Kasi ang mga anak ko, hindi sila kumakain ng bagoong na sauteed. Ngayon, kain na po tayo.
There you go! We're done! Chef Alden made this beautiful, the most delicious kare-kare. Ang sarap, sarap, sarap. So now, taste test na tayo. Kain na tayo, right? Kain na?
Yeah.
Yay! Let's eat! Okay.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Ooh, so good. Very good. Okay, Alden, how much would you like?
Just one.
One for now. And vegetables. Ooh, that looks good. How about you? AJ?
No eggplant.
No eggplant?
I don't like
AJ doesn't like eggplant. Ayaw ni AJ ng eggplant.
Oh no, the head.
Sorry, no eggplant. There, looks good. And then mine. Ooh, I love all the vegetables. Okay, here we go. Sarap. Thank you, AJ. Kain na tayo.
Try it.
Let's try it. Wow.
It's very, very soft.
Oh, very soft. Wow.
Very tender.
Yan. With rice and vegetables. Rice and vegetables.
Mmm.
Mm.
It's so good.
Mm.
Delicious.
Wow. Pretty much identical to our recipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alden did a good job. I was just the assistant. The meat is so tender. Ang lambot.
Very tender.
And I like the vegetables. Perfectly cooked.
Perfect.
Mm. How about you, Chef Alden?
That's good.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Can you speak in Tagalog? Like,
Tastes exactly like what it's supposed to.
say, masarap.
Masarap.
Perfect. How about you, AJ? Say malinamnam.
Malinamnam.
What does that mean?
Delicious. Full of flavor. Malinamnam.
That's different from sarap.
Masarap is delicious, but when you say malinamnam, it means like delicious and full of flavor. Malinamnam.
Ooh.
Yeah, it rhymes, huh?
Learn something new today.
Malinamnam. You learned something today. Mm. Oh my goodness, this is so good. This is like, I think this is better than the restaurant. Am I
Much better.
being too biased? What do you think?
No. This tastes really, really good.
Just the right amount of peanut butter and shrimp paste, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Perfect balance of
perfect balance.
all the ingredients.
Yeah.
Tastes exactly like it's supposed to.
Mm-hmm. I think we're gonna have seconds here. Okay, so you wanna say hi? Oh, I forgot to introduce. This is my older son, AJ. And
Hello.
this is of course Alden. He's visiting from Florida. He works for NASA. Just in case you wanna know. I'm so proud of my boys. They're doing so well. Yeah. How long have you been working at NASA?
Almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years. And he's only 27, right? Yeah. So I feel so old. I have a 30-year-old and a 27-year-old. So, matanda na ako. Yeah. So, sarap. So, we're gonna say bye, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna continue. We'll finish our food. And, luto na kayo.
Thank you for watching. And I hope your recipe turns exactly how we're tasting it.
Yeah, perfect. You have anything
I'm
to
sure
say?
I will.
Yeah, AJ?
Good.
You said I'm sure?
I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will taste exactly like the way we're tasting it.
Yeah. And then we want to thank Alden for making this delicious at malinamnam at masarap na kare-kare. Yeah, kare-kare. A very classic dish, and you just it involves a lot of technique when making it. But then with this recipe, it will be easy. We're making it easy for you, easy to follow, and we have the full ingredients in the notes. Yeah, that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna finish our food. We're gonna finish eating the kare-kare. And you guys take care. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. And A big hug. Let's give them a big hug from all of us. A big hug for all of you. Take care and God bless. Bye now.